Like sands through the hourglass, so are the dinks of our lives. Let's build a pickleball Christmas wreath. Here's what you need: some zip ties, some ribbons, a metal wreath that you can get at like a Dollar Tree, a silly ornament that you can pick up at a dollar store, and roughly about 16 cracked pickleballs. Welcome to Santa's workshop. You take a zip tie, you kind of thread it through two holes in the ball, get it down here on your wreath. And just like that, you've started your wreath. I'm going to alternate a red ball. Again, zip tie, couple of holes. On this last one, so I have this fancy dollar store little ornament. I'm gonna thread this, stick it inside, and then I'm gonna position it such. Just like that. Thread some ribbon around it, and you're in like Flynn. Happy holidays, everybody.
I love the pickleball life.